Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining our AVT webinar series. My name is Sailor Chor, and I'm one of the NetSuite Solution Consultants here at AVT. I'll be your host for this webinar, along with my colleague Ross Leahy, our Senior NetSuite Solution Consultant, whom I'll be introducing shortly, to present and talk about planning inventory and NetSuite's Demand Planning Module. This module helps your business have adequate inventory to meet your customer service requirements. These webinars are designed to provide training and enabling our NetSuite customers to better understand NetSuite's core products and functionalities. A quick overview about AVT. We are an Oracle NetSuite solution provider established in 2006 and have since been implementing and supporting the deployment of Oracle NetSuite across many different industries. Our head office is based in Sydney with staff in other states to better support our clients across Australia and New Zealand. With Oracle NetSuite being a pure cloud-based solution, we have also been able to provide expertise and custom solutions to those customers overseas, enabling them to leverage their NetSuite investment. To ensure we keep the flow of the presentation, we will have all attendees muted. For any questions, please use the Q&A section in this webinar. You will find the Q&A button below. We will answer and publish all relevant questions on our AVT site after this webinar. All participants will receive an email with a link to this recording. Why are we presenting this webinar? This webinar provides an overview of the benefits and capabilities of NetSuite's Demand Planning Module. The session will cover classic inventory planning in manufacturing and wholesale distribution companies who cannot rely on simple quantity-based triggers such as safety stock. This webinar is part of a series from the AVT Education Business Unit that can support your staff to better understand NetSuite and its functionality. I would now like to introduce my colleague Ross Leahy, whom will be your presenter for this webinar. Ross is one of our senior NetSuite solution consultants with considerable experience in implementing and deploying the Oracle NetSuite solution. Ross, I'll hand it over to you. To watch the full webinar, simply head to the webinar section on our website at abvt.com.au/NetSuite-webinars. You will then find the link to this specific webinar and many others. A direct link to this webinar can also be found in the description below. Fill in your details and you will receive the full webinar video link.